Diane, what's two-step authentication?
Well, it's a dance and
Two-step authenticity?
Authentication.
That's a two-step.
Two-step authentication would be where you have to authenticate to a website more than one time. Like first you would enter in a password and then it'll email or text you a code that you would then enter in to prove that you are who you say you are.
Casey, what is ransomware?
Isn't that Rihanna's new clothing line?
ransomware is actually a type of virus or malware that, when infecting your computer, encrypts all of the data and holds it for ransom until you pay money to get it released.
Ooh. Hi, Nikki.
Hi, Carol.
What's CAPTCHA?
CAPTCHA. I just learned that new dance at a wedding.
CAPTCHA is a way of authenticating yourself as a person and making sure you're not a robot.
Megan, what does a cyber criminal look for when phishing?
A fish.
No.
Well, a cyber criminal is looking for your personal identifying information that they can use to either impersonate you or to gain access to your secure accounts.
A big fish?
No. Let's do a different one.
Okay.
What's catfishing?
Oh, that's easy. It's when you grab a pole and you go fishing for catfish.
No, we're talking about cybersecurity, right?